Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share the work that we finished in the Jeep Cherokee 2015. So the car came with the standard radio and screen before, and yep, at this moment we already replaced with the 10.4 inch touchscreen and with the wireless Apple Carplay and wireless Android Auto. And also we upgrade the new Full HD anti-glare and super night vision reverse camera at the same factory slot and make it looks just like factory camera at the same position. And the camera is much better in terms of the detail and anti-glare and super night vision. So yep, just a quick look. The system has the new design frame with the matching color fit and really much into the car does, and also it just fit everywhere like factory fit. There's no gap, and actually there's no ugly looking, and all the air vent normal working, and the air conditioner control will work from the screen here, so it's fully climate control on the touch screen, and all the steering wheel buttons works well it with the new system here. And wireless Apple CarPlay, as you see on the screen, works very easy as it should, and also with the wireless Android Auto as well. We retain the factory USB port, and we retain the factory aux port inside the factory location over here, and the storage compartment here. And yep, that's about the thing, and the system works very nice, very easy. Now come out and have a look. We can show you the reverse camera at the back end. Okay, so here we go. We have fit the reverse camera just right here, and it looks like factory fit, and it definitely works like factory over here. Okay, so that's about the reverse camera. Nothing special if you just look from the outside, but actually it is fully upgraded. And if you want to know what the factory camera looks like, actually it is here in my hands. Okay, that is the factory camera, and our new camera is now in the same place and same looking. So basically we have done that quite many times, and we know exactly how to make it work much better and looks the similar factory camera in the same spot. Okay, so that's about, and now have a look at how actually our reverse camera is working. Okay, so it's very easy. Okay, so when you turn the reverse camera on now, you will see it has the dynamic steering wheel guidelines on the screen, and also it has the straight guideline on the screen as well, and it's very detailed and clear. You can see the new camera is adjusted to see from the back end of the car, and it's so clear because at this moment it's very dark outside. It's late and very dark, but definitely it works really well. We cannot make better system for the camera actually, because it's already the best one. You can see super clear and detailed in the daytime, and very clear and bright in the night time. If we walk out now, we can see it's so dark on the back of the car, but it's no problem with the new camera in Okay, and that's about our system. And when you move the gear stick forward, you come back to wireless Apple CarPlay here. So easy. And now the last thing before we go, actually, I want to mention about the sound. The new system has a built-in very high resolution amplifier and sound system. So combined with the current JEEP Cherokee sound system, I would say that now you will have a so premium sound system feeling in the car. Jump in the car, close all the windows and turn the music on. It will be so deep, so high, so clear, and yes, premium sound system now already. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.